If you think the way to make a mango ice cream is difficult, you are wrong. It's super easy. We need only 4 simple ingredients, or maybe even 3.
Let's peel this ripe mango. This is the kind of mangoes we need. Very ripe.
How to know if this is a good ripe mango?
You will see the skin of the mango are totally yellow very clearly with no hint of green at all. But if your mango got a hint of green or even with a whole green, I have a tip. You just have to wrap it with a paper towel and leave it outside. And voila! You will have a ripe mango.
However, it's depending on how green of your mango is. 2 to 3 days is for almost ripe mango. But for a raw mango, you need at least a week.
Alright, after we peeled it, we are going to slice to cut the meat off the mango seed. Now what we are going to do with this is cut them into cubes to make it easier to blend. Yep, we are going to use a simple blender, no fancy ice cream maker. Then, transfer them into a Ziploc bag or a box or a tray.
And we will leave it in the fridge for at least 4 hours.
I went to the market this morning around 8 a.m. I saw some sellers just arrive to open their shops. And some sellers already packing their stuff to go back home. Luckily, my mango shop already here since early morning.
มันร้อนเนาะน้องว่าจะเอาเขาได้สัก2 โลแม่จังใส่คุณคะ
All you see is ripe mango from her farm, and all start with 10 Thai baht or 30 cents. It's not expensive at all, right? We chit chat a bit, so she kindly gave me more than I should have.
I got 2.5 kilograms of this mango with 20 Thai baht. It's not even $1, guys. How about mango in your place? Is it cheap?
Now our mango are nice and frozen, but we will take it out from the fridge when it's required. The other ingredients we need are honey and plain yogurt. The honey will actually help make the ice cream softer. When it freezes, it won't freeze as hard, so it would be easier for us to scoop out our ice cream, and also has an amazing flavor that going very well with the mango. And I've got just a plain yogurt that I can find around. Easy peasy. Let's add the yogurt into the blender first to help the blade not stuck when we put the frozen mango. Then, I'm going to squeeze off lime juice.
Fresh lime juice is optional. You might not need it. But if our mango is super sweet, add a little bit of sourness. It's really freshen up the flavor of our ice cream. Because we want our ice cream to be refreshing, right?
And some honey. My honey is fall down easily from this cup. That is because I oiled it before. Now, our frozen mango. The weather here is too hot to leave it outside for too long. My mango gonna melt real fast. Use a wooden spoon or a proper blender temper to push it through because it's not going to be smooth at first blend.
If you are using a wooden spoon same as me, try to not blend your spoon.
Once it looks nice and smooth, no more getting stuck. Immediately transfer it to a plastic food box. Make it nice surface with a spatula, cover it and put it in the freezer for about 2 hours. Before we are going to serve this yummy ice cream, let it sit out for about 5 minutes. It will scoop out easier. Now, we can serve and enjoy this refreshing mango ice cream.
I love love ice cream, and if you do too, go check this coconut milk ice cream. It's super yummy, super creamy, you will love it. Or you can go check this Thai dessert playlist, there is a lot of other yummy desserts. And if you want my spicy t-shirt, I will leave the link to buy it in the description. Have a great day guys, see you next Monday, bye bye!